Hi, welcome to Sahila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share a simple recipe, and that is rice, chicken, and vegetables all in one dish, and very simple and easy to follow. So please continue to watch, and I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious dish. Thank you. For this recipe, you need 3 cups of basmati rice, 2 pounds of chicken breasts, 2 cups of frozen mixed vegetables, 2 cups of frozen green peas, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon salt, half a cup of olive oil, and half a cup for chicken marination. The first thing that you need to do is to cut your chicken in big chunks and then marinate with olive oil, garlic, ginger, salt and pepper, garlic powder, turmeric, black pepper, and paprika, and also some lemon juice. Mix it all together and then keep in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before cooking it. Now, this step is completely optional. I do this for the flavor, and the chicken will be a lot tender, and as I mentioned, lots of flavor in it. But you can skip this and cook the chicken just as it is. Wash and rinse your rice, then add it to the boiling water. Add salt, give it a good mix, close the lid, and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on low to medium heat. Cook your chicken, saute it in a big skillet, and stir it very well. Make sure both sides are cooked really well. Give it about 7 to 8 minutes until your chicken is cooked. After 7 to 8 minutes, add your frozen vegetables, and you can add whatever vegetables that you have on hand or whatever vegetables that you like, and then give it a very good mix. Stir it very well and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now add your cumin. Your lid and cook for a couple minutes more. Add your cooked rice into the skillet on top of your chicken and vegetables and gently give it a good mix until the color of your rice changes to brown, and make sure everything is brown and nothing is white anymore. And you need to do this process very slowly and gently because the rice is now cooked, and if you are rough with this, the rice will break in half and you don't want that. Cover with foil, put the lid on, and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes on very low heat on the stove top. Hi, and here's our rice with vegetables and chicken. Looks really good, very yummy and very powerful. I call this powerful because it has vegetables, it has protein in it, it has good fat, which is olive oil, and of course we have a little carbohydrate, and that is the rice that we have here. But it is it's really good. So let's try and see how it is. It's still very steamy and hot, but let me have a try. Absolutely delicious. The rice is fluffy, the chicken is tender, the vegetables were very soft and very delicious. I love it, and you want to keep eating this. Honestly, it is really good. So please try this recipe. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and make sure to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.